An idea that is developed and put into action is more important than an idea that exists only as an idea. However many holy words you read, however many you speak, what good will they do you if you do not act upon them? I never see what has been done, I only see what remains to be done. The only real failure in life is not to be true to the best one knows. The foot feels the foot when it feels the ground. All wrongdoing arises because of mind. If mind is transformed, can wrongdoing remain? I was born into the world as the king of truth for the salvation of the world. It is better to conquer yourself than to win 1,000 battles. Then the victory is yours. It cannot be taken from you, not by angels or by demons, heaven or hell. We are what we think. All that we are arises with our thoughts. With our thoughts, we make the world. Have compassion for all well-being, rich and poor alike. Each has their suffering. Some suffer too much, others too little. You will not be punished for your anger. You will be punished by your anger. Even death is not to be feared by one who has lived wisely. The whole secret of existence is to have no fear. Never fear what will become of you. Depend on no one. Only the moment you reject all help are you freed. When you realize how perfect everything is, you will tilt your head back and laugh at the sky. Your work is to discover your work and then with all your heart to give yourself to it.